Oh.
Sleep or something?
That pacifier.
I mean, it's up to you. You want to get some rest without having to worry.
Listen, snap.
You want him staying in here?
It's these hands. Look how good.
Nita does not want that baby in that nursery and them taking care of him while we sleep.
I knew she wouldn't. You wouldn't either.
Yellow. Cafeteria's closed, so it's 9 o'clock.
That's why he didn't latched onto Mike's finger.
Do what, Mom?
He latches onto everybody's finger.
He's got them hands that are like a little monkey.
Well, his hands are cold.
He's like a little monkey, Mom.
Why don't you get some little booties? And don't they have booties?
Huh? What are you doing?
Can't sleep.
I want something to eat. Oh.
He's dying to see. Your feet up?
Now, come here.
Take them off some
Come here. Look at this nigger. That's what I do to him, isn't he cute? Come on. Come on. Ew. Ew. Oh, come on. Come on.
I can't believe he's still awake.
This baby, he's still awake.
It's funny, you change his diaper and he'll just lay there. He don't cry.
So I'm trying to look up now. I don't know if I can wake up or not. Are you doing a movie?
Yeah.
A video of him?
He's trying to wake up.
Yeah, he is.
He'll sit there and bat them eyes.
Oh, he burped.
Oh.
Lift that head up.
He's got a strong head, I'm telling you. Already.
I wonder if he's going to throw up.
Mom.
No, he isn't. It's okay.
Mom's ready for him to throw up. Here, throw him in the blanket. Little Artie.
Yeah, you know I would. Oh, he's hungry. Look
Yep.
at this. Now he's getting hungry.
Yep.
I'm waiting for him to get fussy.
She's wanting him to get fussy and then feed him. Why? They don't know how to get food.
Hey, look, here's River Monster.
Oh.
Nobody's hungry
Tony, first thing she said, oh my God, he's precious. Look at them big lips. That's what she said.
The big lippers.
Look at that tongue coming out. Come on.